Welcome the our channel. Today we how to register with Omnisend for email and SMS detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the Omnisend website by entering the URL in your web browser. Click on the Start Your Free Trial button located on the home page. Fill in the required fields to create your account. Enter your email address in the designated box. Create a strong password to secure your account. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Fill in your store name and website URL if applicable. Click on the Create an Account button to proceed. Check your email for a confirmation message from Omnisend. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. Once verified, return to the Omnisend login page. Enter your email address and password to log in. Follow the prompts to set up your store details. Choose the type of business you operate from the available options. Complete any additional information required in the setup process. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and its features. Navigate to the email option to start designing your first campaign. Explore the SMS settings to configure your SMS marketing options. Adjust your preferences in the account settings as needed. Review the tutorials and resources offered by Omnisend to maximize your experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.